In the small New England town of Salem, Massachusetts, in 1692, a chilling episode unfolded that would forever alter the course of American history. The air was thick with suspicion, as whispers of witchcraft began to spread through the community. The afflicted girls, tormented by unseen forces, started to accuse their neighbors of being witches. Amidst this chaos, a prominent figure emerged, Cotton Mather, a renowned Puritan minister and scholar. His influence in the community was profound, and his beliefs were deeply rooted in the supernatural. Mather, initially skeptical of the accusations, found himself drawn into the whirlwind of fear and hysteria. He was a man of knowledge, and the possibility of a supernatural threat was too intriguing to ignore. With the town in a state of panic, Mather published a book titled Wonders of the Invisible World. In it, he supported the accusations, citing biblical evidence and fueling the fires of fear further. The book's publication had far-reaching consequences. It legitimized the accusations and emboldened those who had been hesitant to believe. The witch trials began in earnest, with numerous residents of Salem accused and eventually executed. Cotton Mather, once a voice of reason, became a catalyst for the chaos that ensued. His actions, though born from a genuine belief in the supernatural, had unleashed a wave of hysteria that would scar the town of Salem for generations. The Salem witch trials, a dark episode in American history, serve as a cautionary tale of the dangers of unchecked fear and the power of words. Despite Mather's later regret and repentance, the damage had been done. The town of Salem, forever haunted by its past, would struggle to find peace and reconciliation. Yet, from the ashes of this tragedy emerged a new era of introspection and skepticism, a questioning of the supernatural and the human capacity for fear. The Salem witch trials were a stark reminder of the power of belief and the importance of critical thinking. In the end, the story of Cotton Mather and the Salem witch trials stands as a testament to the complexities of human nature, the power of the written word, and the lessons history can teach us about ourselves.